Hi everyone, welcome to Rupert Homestead Journal. My name is Emma. Today I'll be making vanilla extract. I'm running low on vanilla extract, so I figure might as well I'll do a video and show you guys how I do it. So you really need only two ingredients, vanilla beans and some vodka. Some people use rum or bourbon, but I have never done it before, so I don't know how it turned out. And I always have bought the 80 proof and the cheapest one I have in store, and it has been working for us for many years. So I love making homemade vanilla extract. It's cheap and it also makes a great gift. If you want to include homemade vanilla extract in your gift basket, now probably is a good time to start, because the ideal time is 6 months. You definitely can start using it within 2 months, but for it to get a full flavor and fully extracted, you wait for about 6 months. The recipe is really simple. You need 4 vanilla beans to every cup of vodka. You can even do half the recipe as well. You can do 2 beans for half a cup of vodka. They smell so good. So let's see how much I have first. I forgot to mention you need some glass jars. Any glass jars will do. Just clean glass jars. So that's 3. I'm going to see if I'm going to make 2 jars. So alright, so it's about, this is 3.5 and this is 3 cups. So now it's about 3 and about 3 1/4 cup. You want a little room for beans to go in and able to shake them as well. For each jar, I will need 13 beans, because each jar has 3 1/4 cups. Alright, what I do is I'm going to cut all this in half. Actually, I'm going to use scissors. It's easier. So cut all the beans in half, so that way they actually will submerge in the liquid, because you don't want any of them to be sticking out. It's easier to cut with scissors. I had done it with the knife before, but it takes a bit longer. So cut it with scissors, it goes faster. Oops. Alright. And then split it in half by cutting it the long way, so that way the beans inside is exposed, and then just toss it in here, just like that. So make sure all the little pieces, the beans, from the inside the beans, go in the jar as well. Put everything in the jar. Alright, now put the lid on and give it a good shake. I also labeled it when I started it and when it would be ready to use. Just look at the color, how it's always like changing within minutes apart. Look at that. That's pretty much it on how to make vanilla extract at home. As you saw, very simple and easy, can be done within minutes. Now store this in the pantry or in a cupboard. I try to shake mine a few times a week. If you can do it every day, that's great, but a few times a week is good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click like, and if you tried this, please let me know how it turned out for you and what your thoughts on it. Alright, until the next time, you have a good day. Bye.